Hello, ni nama izin za vaya jisde Biyo Lisu channel kwa hua bi ko yuang ne ngawa yu tense to ma de so tiama ngwan shi de ma di masudu na ni past perfect tense to ma de so ku mangung ne ole ni mi na ni ma de bu ma sa sa so wang ne ti kwa na ni past perfect tense versus present perfect tense to ma de ali kala do no de be ma gi dung ngang ne ti sha ala ta wa li ta sin ni no de ma mi a chama na ngane ale ak说下东鸟里个里阿嘛背到咪咪的关呢，这么弗朗我鸟里巴拉古里，我里鸟光呢 screen 光呢，就个弗朗我个乱用呢，提关呢 present perfect tense 个王呢，你关呢 past perfect tense 个话 present perfect tense 关呢 have 嘛的 have seen 个啷个呢 have seen 嘛的嘛咪阿里个拉是你乱用我呢，阿da past perfect tense 关呢 had seen 个啷个呢。Only ni teng kwa nan deng ne example kwa who is that woman jam go ti wa alimanga bish kaya ne I have seen made sa sa ne omani past present perfect tense ko lama pudo I have seen her before khite da wa ide munyo ba manga ne mo ne ide khite da mo ne but I cannot remember where akwa mudo se ne li ga akwa mudo se jam wa bish nga wa ne Timani, who is that woman? Is malani present continuous tense ko tunyanga ngune ema mima. Oli tunyanga ali gune mi hama yidwas ngune. Jakwa past present perfect tense ko nani. I have seen her before. Mwani yide munyo buane ngune. Khitela yide nga munyo. But oli gune I cannot remember where. Akwa kaidwa chamwe wa ngune. Gosa past perfect tense ko nani ngune had seen mali julado de. I was not sure who she was. Nga ka de chang wei wang ne zam nga tu ari ka u sti wa do ka chang wei wa lis ka dong ni ti pa na ni ari ma nga be do te ne I was not sure who she was. Zam gu ti yu ma zam ali ma do chang wei wa. Jakwa o ma ni ka te ma ni past perfect continuous tense ko tu nya nga ne jakwa ne past perfect tense ko na kala I had seen her before. Ngwa nya ite khte da mu ni ko ne But oliguni I could not remember where. Oliga kwa kaido sa changwe wang ne. Tikwa cannot madeguni could not sakala wang ne past tense kwana ni. Aninga past perfect tense kwana ni. Oli ni yung kwa jo ni ilde di puna nga wang ne no aguni za zi bangwa. I was not sure who she was. I was kala was man ni tipana ni past continuous tense kwa tunyush ka yang ne. Alima kaido sa changwe wa. Oli nga khite da munyung ne izamuza yide nga munyukwa. I had seen her before, but oliguni I could not remember where. Oliguni I kwa kaido sa changwe wa ne. Oli ka langa ne had seen mane kwa yula, have seen mane da kwa yula be do pushing nga ne. Na ba ni kwa na ne teng na ba ni kwa. We are not hungry. We have just had lunch. Ngono na ni mahim nga ne. Bamawa. We are not hungry. Arma jwama pa do man ni past present continuous tense ko tunyush kayang ne. We have omana ni present perfect kayang ne. We have just had lunch. Ngono ni mulo zawulti pa za do ha pa do mahimwa bish kayang omana ni. Ada ni ko just magu machang ne. We have had lunch. Oli gubega dangang ne. Oli ni ko just magu machang madam sa gung ne. Ada naban ni ko na ni. We were not hungry. We were malawang ne. Were man ni past continuous tense ko tunyush kayang ne. We were not hungry. Ngono ni mahimwa ne mahimwa be ni le ting ne yung wa yo. Oli ngung ne. Ay kasbe ni past perfect tense ko na ne. We had just had lunch. Ngono ni za do ko wang ne. Zadu zau molo zau zadu kuma pudo ti pasi zadu kuma pudo ka yoshinga ne ole ni we had just had lunch just ma makugu macha madam sa gungne ngani already gu da macha ko na ni makugu macha we had lunch ole gu jangung he ole ni we had just had lunch ngwana ni molo zau zadu pudo ti pasi zadu pudo ngani mahim ngang ne Oli kalanga ne tin mai ma wale khoda tiling ne olla begini past present perfect tense ko na ni ali kala be ni tiko ni tipa tunyus ane who is that woman bedani gujam guti yuma manga past anga present continuous tense kwa ginyu ane tili ginyu shima yidwas mi ma ole gani gusa past tense kona ni I was not sure who she was okoni ni ku ke shungune akuma ri mati wakai dori nga chong we wa bedong ne I had seen her before nga kete da munyu shal ma ke du chom no bedong ngone ole ni Oli kalanga cham na do takitsa jisu ngune cham na do anya tsdi cham na do joanye comment yisni magle ngune no de dinishan wan ni share likes comment yigfle ngune amu mite skwai bu sucha do mia jos ngune oli ni mia sucha fulango bema fulango a jisu de kwa see you next video